Y'all up in my grill. What are you doing? You're taking my spot. Did you just take my spot over?
Yeah, I'll push this back. Oh, yeah, get him. Elise and I are up very early this morning for a little friendly fishing competition to see who can catch the biggest and the most fish. I think she played a little dirty, possibly even cheated. I'll let you guys be the judge of that. You can leave your comments below. But we are with New Orleans Best Charters, leaving out of the Rigolets Marina in Slidell, Louisiana. And buckle up, because I didn't even have a chance to get the camera set up before the fish were in the boat. Here we go.
To hopefully catch some fish. Maybe a redfish.
Let him run, let him run, let him run, let him run.
What we got here?
Real. Hold him.
Yay! Oh, look at you.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
I agree. You got a redfish. It's just, you said this is what you wanted to get today, and you did it. Let's take a look at him. Hold him up. Hold him up.
Turn it this way.
There you go. There you go, girl. You got it.
Hold on to him.
You got it. Keep it bent.
Hold on. Hold it.
Look at you.
Hold on to him. Let him run. Let him run. Box it to him.
Let's find one of this redfish.
Hold it. Hold. Now we're
Got him! Got him! Look at you! Got him! Woo!
2 for 2!
Yes!
Great job, girl. Keep it tight. There you go. Oh, that's a good one, Elise. Oh, look at you! Elise! Holy cow!
That's
a little bit bigger than
That's a beefy boy right there. Wow.
She's on fire.
I agree. She is on fire. Everything in that ice chest is pretty much her. All right, we're gonna go under the bridge.
There's the rain.
The rain is here. It's okay. We had a good morning. Elise was killing it, catching redfish. And under the bridge, there we go. We made it. There we go. That's some angry skies. Definitely run away from that. Okay, we made it, Elise. We made it through all that angry rain.
I'm glad I brought my hat. It was able to shield my face from the rain.
Yeah, definitely. Well, that's what you get for killing all those redfish.
Don't make me feel bad. I don't like to kill the fish.
Well, you tore them up. For somebody who doesn't like it, you sure did do a good job of doing it.
You're just mad I'm doing better than you.
For now, the day is young. We have a lot more time. So
Time that you're gonna waste.
no, we're good. I got this.
Lift it up a little bit and you kind of feel the weight on the bottom. And you kind of keep your line tight.
Yep. I got something. Oh gosh, dog, it came off. That is so disappointing. That rod was definitely bent though. Yeah. All right. Fish.
So this is what I was thinking. With these, with the trout, their mouths are real soft. So
Oh, she's got it. Yeah.
That is called a white trout.
She got a white trout.
Yeah, he's a little small. You need to keep him a little bit bigger than that.
Yeah, we can.
Hey, you want to take a picture?
All right. Here we go. Let's get that picture.
First white trout. They pretty.
All right. Look at me. Here we go. White trout. He's squiggling. There you go. Oh, I see. Okay. Come on.
You want him?
No, not yet. Oh, there we go.
Yeah. I see him. The line tight. Got him?
Yep.
Got him.
Got something.
Got something.
Oh yeah, and it's not unless we're tied up. Oh, there he is, a little tiny catfish.
Let the line out a little bit.
All right, here we go.
He's probably going for both of ours because he's thinking I got like a big hook.
Yep. At least he didn't take my shrimp.
There she goes. There she goes.
Oh, she's got something. Come on, what's we got? Oh, look at you, another white trout.
Take a just like a
Quick picture? Okay. Look at you. Yep. Look at that. He's a little guy. Something's changed in the last few minutes.
Yeah, I'll push this back. Yeah, get him. That's a nice one, whatever.
Oh, whatever this is.
Big, whatever.
This is.
Something different for sure.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's a catfish. Look at him. I caught a catfish on an artificial shrimp or whatever that is. I would have never guessed that.
Oh yeah, we catch the crap out of them things, man.
Look at that guy.
I'm moving. Put him over here.
Yeah, let's put him over here. We can send him on the other side. No, we're all right. It does count. We're all right.
He gone.
I'm going. Oh, I got a hit.
I saw that hit. I saw that hit.
Yep. Got it. Yep. Oh, yeah. He's on.
You on?
Oh, come on.
Nice white trout.
Yep, there he is.
Yeah. That's a nice one there.
He is.
That's a very nice white trout. Take them all day long.
Look at him.
The size of the stuff. There she goes. Get him.
Look at her. Good, look at you. Good job, Elise.
He definitely is catching more.
I know. We can
Put that out there.
we can debate all that later. That's
You know, rolling like it's rolling.
y'all up in my grill. What are you doing? You're taking my spot. Did you just take my spot over?
yes.
Look at what. That's. I call foul. Okay. Oh, look at this. What you got? Oh, it jumped. Whoa! Look at you.
Get him in the boat. Speckled trout.
Speckled trout. Great job.
And he looks like he might keep. Might be a keep.
All right, let's get your picture.
That picture. Scratch him off the list.
Look at that. He's angry, but that's okay.
He'll be all right.
I'm gonna call it. She was in my spot. That's all I'm saying.
That's what it was.
Yeah.
That's what it was. It's okay. Right?
Uh-huh.
Don't matter, right?
That's where the current took it. So
Yeah.
I didn't take your spot, the current did.
On plastic too. Just putting that out there. On plastic.
Oh.
Off the
You're
line.
still in my spot. You are still in my spot. Now I gotta move all the way over here. She took my spot. Look at her. Oh my goodness.
All right.
I'm getting a bite. Let's see. Seriously? Did you just steal my fish? All right, this is getting ridiculous.
He's on him, Bubba. He's on him. Another white trout.
I'm good. I'm about to get this guy right here.
Yeah?
He and I are going round and round.
I don't know. He's just cast it back out, so. About to lose him.
Okay. Oh, come on. This is,
White trout.
she got another one. There's something all over this thing. Oh, this is ridiculous.
Y'all using the same bait, Brian.
I look,
I promise y'all using the same bait, bro. You maybe need a.
me and this thing, whatever this is, I mean, he's all over this bait.
You gotta pull it out there so you can't find it.
Big old, yeah, little video thing. Bait's gonna be bigger than
Uh-huh. Not that time though. Oh,
Get a cap in?
no. It's just not on.
You gotta hold your mouth right.
I need to do something. She drank water. I haven't drank any water.
And she put sunscreen on.
Yeah, she put sunscreen on too.
You might want to try that. Look, try to get another one, dude. Look at it. Look at it.
She took my spot.
Other white trout. You done got it dialed in, Bubba. You done got it dialed in.
Oh, this fish right here. It,
I've lost count of this.
I have too. You definitely got more. I do know that. And at this point, it's going to be hard to recover. It's going to be hard to catch up.
just I can still hold out for the big this big speckled trout that I'm about to reel in.
Yeah, you got it. That category is still up for grabs. Look, I caught some big redfish here too. There you go.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
That's a speck.
he's a nice speck, but he's not going to get me out of the doghouse with
You might keep.
Elise.
You can even bite the line. You can hook them on the side.
Are you serious? You talk a lot of trash for somebody who
For someone who's winning, for someone who's doing better than you. Yeah.
unfortunately I created that.
Listen,
That monster is
I
all
have-
my fault because I talk trash.
I have one. I'm laughing because this is my son and I. All the time.
Oh, jeez. This is just...
Got him dialed in, Brian. Got him dialed in, Brian. Let's set a goal and catch some big ones.
She took my spot. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
I like when them go. That happened.
Oh, you came off.
Perfect.
It doesn't count. Doesn't count. Calling it.
Uncrustable piece of break, maybe you can,
Catch up a little bit or what?
not catch up, but get close.
Watch this. As soon as I go to that spot,
Okay, do
you know, back to my spot. Look at... Let me hear you, Elise. Let me hear you. What's that? Yeah. Oh.
No, God! No, God, please!
Seriously? No, you don't have anything. That's garbage. That's a piece of trash. You just hauled up a trash bag.
I eat my Uncrustable. It takes you like so much time. I'm just sitting there watching you while I'm eating and drinking my water, and then I come up here
On the other side.
on the other side where you are and catch it in so much less time.
You know what happens when you get old? Your hearing goes. So sorry I missed all of that.
He is.
Yep. Not getting away this time, buddy. All right.
The white trout.
All right, so we're back trying to grab some redfish before the day is over. Oh, you couldn't even give me like a cast before you set her back up
You
here?
gotta ride the hot hand.
Ah,
Gotta ride the hot hand. Yeah, and if the bubble start lightning,
yep, we got to go in
then
here. All right, Elise, let's pull it in.
I got the seagulls trained. They're like alley-oop. Alley-oop. Look at that.
So in the ancient tradition of fishermen and excuses, I am going to blame the weather for chasing us away from that last spot. And I wasn't able to grab the title of biggest fish. With that being said, I still think Elise was a little underhanded there by stealing my spot. I'll let you guys be the judge of that down in the comments. I had a great day with New Orleans Best Charters and Captain Hunter. I'm going to put all their information in the description. We had to move around to basically run away from some nasty rain. Still put us on the fish. We still had a great day. Thank you so much for watching.